So I want to start how we started a couple weeks ago, or let me start in 2010. 2010, I got involved in the local Tea Party in Temecula, and I, with some friends, urged me to start, what I call now the Armed Forces Tea Party. Brought it up after about 3 months. We grew to about 350, 400 people. Then we had a liberal blogger hear about us, rip us apart, and that went national. Got some attention. I was asked to do Hardball with Chris Matthews. I was given permission to go do it. On my way there, I was called by Headquarters of Marine Corps to come back to Camp Pendleton, where I stopped. I came back to Camp Pendleton, took down the page for about 2 days. I wanted to review the law and review the DoD directives and make sure that I was in compliance, because at that time I was uneducated on it. I was sat down with a judge advocate from the 1st Marine Expeditionary Force, where he explained to me that I hadn't done anything wrong, and that he would ask me if I could do anything for him, is that put on my page that Armed Forces Tea Party does not represent the Marine Corps or the Department of Defense or the U.S. government in any way, and it in no way is an endorsement. So I did that, put the page back up. Obviously, we've grown, and then fast forward 2 years, my command's known about my endeavor in the Armed Forces Tea Party. Fast forward 2 years, I'm on a private forum that you have to be invited into, ran by a Marine, with fellow Marines, people that I know, colleagues of mine that I've worked with or known when I went to school or whatnot. And we were talking about the National Defense Authorizations Act and detaining citizens. We were talking about the Quran burning in Afghanistan. I got into a heated debate, and sometimes when you're in a heated debate, you type things and you don't have a chance to digest what it says. And I wrote on there, some comments that I do believe are somewhat distasteful, and I would use different words, but the principle behind the comments are still there as a part of who I am. About 4 days later, I was read my rights, my Article 31 rights to right to remain silent, basically your Miranda rights. They said that I was under suspicion of violating DoD Directive 1344.10 and General Article 134 of the United States UCMJ. And that's where we really got started. We posted on Facebook. We've grown from about 9,000 on March 1st, and I think we're just under 30,000 people strong, 30,000 members.